Welcome to your noodle break. Today, we're diving into these thick, chewy, delicious big noodles. Listen to that sound every slurp. Every bite, pure satisfaction. Coated in a rich, savory sauce soft on the outside. With Theta Fusion Cune. These noodles aren't just food, they're therapy in a bowl. Let your stress melt away. With every slur, feel the comfort. Hear the crunch of the toppings. And just enjoy this moment. Narration, soft whisper. Don't forget to like and subscribe and come back for more noodle bliss. See you next time, more videos daily post.